You want to sit?
Hey, line the caliper up on there, see if it lines up or not.
You want to stick a wheel on here?
No, I said try the caliper real quick. Make sure it's going to go right. Caliper?
Yeah, I got you, but I was going to stick the wheel up here so make sure the back space is dry on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Might as well do it all at the same time, you know what I'm saying? With that on there too. It's in probably yeah, right here. It's one of those two there.
Short one, dude. Wait, that one, dude. That would. It's perfect on.
Alright, gotta test it with the wheel too.
As long as the wheel don't slip.
Yep.
That's why I say get the wheel.
I gotta take this helmet. We still gotta get our brake system. We're gonna be doing the foot brake. So we're gonna actually bringing our foot pegs up higher. So we're gonna be bringing them up like up this way right here. We're actually running a foot brake all the way front here. It's gonna be. I've never seen one like it before. I have never seen a front foot brake on one of these ever. So we'll be.
I am on the like a Yamaha like what is it, the Raz or?
I'm talking about on one of these on a Ruckus.
Oh no, I'm not.
I've never seen a actual forward foot brake on one, period. Like off the peg or anything.
No.
I've yet to see one. So
No,
we'll have the first setup, I think, with it. I've seen the back pegs, you know, with the foot brake, but I have yet to see that. So fingers crossed we get that done here soon, you know, and be the first to do it. We don't have to go too tight with it. We're just gonna look and make sure it's gonna be on there straight. It looks like it's straight flush. What's it?
That's a disc.
Oh, okay, that's right. Yeah, because it breaks.
It's a brake pads.
Well, I'll be damned.
I mean, it looks like it's dead on center.
Yeah, even more before.
Yeah, it looks better than it did before. Actually, before.
No kidding, it really does look better than before.
Before it was off just a little bit.
Let me take this out real quick and show everybody.
Dead center, dude. Dead center.
Yeah, it looks even better than, like I said, literally better.
That's exactly what it looks.
All right, boys and girls, I'm gonna show y'all. It looks dead center. Oh hell yeah, it does, man.
Wheel straight.
Check it out from up here.
Yep. Follow the center line there on the seat.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it don't look bad at all.
It's dead on. I mean, damn good.
It is dead on, I think. Pretty much.
That's what I'm saying. There's my tail.
I had to mention it.
Look.
Please do not try any of the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performing on closed off streets. Woo boy!